Welcome to Biology Farms. So in this video I will be talking about the benefits of moringa leaves in poultry and how to prepare the powder. Okay, so these leaves, you see, the moringa leaves has so many beneficial uses or benefits in poultry farming. So number one, these leaves, you see, they have nutrients. Okay, they contain nutrients. That means that when you include it in the feed or in your poultry diet, the chickens will be boosted in terms of the nutrients, or the feed that you have mixed with this moringa powder is going to be boosted in terms of the nutrients. It also contains so many medicinal properties. Okay, antibacterial. Okay, so that means it can treat some of the bacterial diseases, and it can also prevent some of the bacterial diseases. So basically, moringa is very important in poultry farming. So if you have moringa, or if you don't have moringa, ensure that you actually have one, especially if you really keep chickens. Okay, because this is a very important tree that you should have. Okay, so I want to teach you now how to prepare it. Basically, you have to use it in powder form for you to realize its full potential. Okay, so once you get the tree, the branches or whatever, you extract the leaves. Okay, so these are the leaves of the moringa, if you have never seen them. So once you are done extracting these leaves, you have to make sure that you wash them. Okay, so wash them thoroughly with water just to remove any dirt. Okay, so once you wash them, you can now sun dry them, or you can dry them using a dehydrator. However, at all levels you can use just the sun. So just dry them under the sun so that they can dry faster. Okay, so these have been dried for a day, so you can see. So if there is just a full sunshine, that means you are going to have them dry just within a day. Okay, so once they are dry, they are able once they are dry and you are able to compress them into a powder. So once you are just placing the leaf should be able to break. Okay, that means it is good, or it is dry enough for it to be made into a powder form. Okay, so if they were not so dry, you can put them in the oven for a short period of time so that they can dry perfectly like this. You can see. So once you press there, you are able to achieve the powder thing. Okay, so you can use a mortar, just a mortar, or you can use a blender. So this is just like a small blender. Okay, so you can use this blender to make the powder. Okay, once you are done, you achieve something like this. So this is basically now the moringa powder. Okay, this is moringa powder. Perfect. So now you can use this moringa powder to mix with your feed. Okay, you mix with your feed in the ratio of 2 to 5% of the total feed. Okay, so you have to make sure that you only mix this in the ratio of 2 to 5% of your total feed. Okay, so if you want to keep them, you have to make sure that you keep them in the airtight container so that they are well kept. So basically this is how to do it.